Yeah. Hey, let's go now. 2K21, we doing big things on it. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can stop us. Nobody will stop us. Hey, yeah. I'm going crazy. I'm really going crazy. These niggas better pay me. Ain't no one going. I'm going crazy. These niggas acting shady. You better acting crazy. I'm going crazy. These niggas acting shady. You really gotta pay me. I'm going crazy. And I do this on a daily. You better fucking pay me. I'm going crazy. You really thought this shit was a gang, please? I come through that shit and I'ma spray you. I'm not really playing, I do this on the daily. I'm playing, I'm going crazy. These niggas really playing, nigga lame niggas. And I'm not just game. And no, I'm not ashamed. You play me, use a lame. Come on, bang. Yes, I'm really going insane. Going stupid. Use a fucking stupid lane. Use a fucking fuck boy. You can't come and overhang. No, I ain't hanging with you pussy ass niggas. I'll come through and I'm gonna pull these triggers. Yeah, this off the dome. Yeah, I do this on my own. I'm in the closet right now doing this song. Yeah, I thought this shit was a game, but no, I'm not playing. This ain't no EA, nigga, no, I'm not playing. Yeah, I'm just saying, I really do this shit. I'm not even high yet, so when I get high, I'm in this shit. This my first song with 2K21, let's do it. You know we get into it, we get into them blues. We do this on the daily, we should be on the news. We killing you niggas on these beats. In the streets. In the what? You can't fuck with us cause we always on these beats. On the beats, nigga. We can meet. Nah, I don't really will be in the streets, but I'll slang that shit on you if you try me. Nah, this ain't music, not my hobby. I really be cutting hair and I really be chopping. Come to Memphis, yeah, you know how we rockin'. Yeah, y'all need me cause I'm really the best. Y'all niggas need help, and you know I'm blessed. I really don't get no fucks and I don't get no rest. I do this shit, yeah, they call me the best. Just freestyling, nigga, yeah, this freestyling. Yeah, you know we go retarded, we be wildin'. Yeah, we go crazy, yeah, we styling. We should be some stylists, yeah, I'm not lying. Hey, yeah, I really miss this shit, and I'm finna keep going, man. No, this ain't no diss. I will diss a nigga. Piss. P on you niggas, if you get reckless. Don't get reckless, niggas, cause I got some shooters. We gonna do your dub. Music going away, but I can't stop it, no. I'm killing you niggas, yeah, shit for sure. Let's go.